For example, not every child that is born into this world has his testes in the scrotum.
Enti enchiremu no na doctor ya amuade atodwei chese mema bebre ho no ma enfree and dog mema nankasa no se cash ni eboto ma oboa ye den fada nanso no nyina mu no ye behwe na ye hu aduro enu nti wei ene nsem a epie da no dwoada na ye bo obi de emamu yi
na no dwoada na mu sabre na konfa no chan ya asabia adokotafo wo ho se wonu mate atua ne nyina ye se Dr. Bedu no wo mama ne krata se wo matwena sensen enam se emergency and accident unit ho wo mbeka se hwa ye ma ewi 24 hours no mo cheso so mo timi evacuate binu mafiri wo yi binu mama binu kofi enti wo mbetimi asage nipa ani gina na krata ba se papa no wo mo twena sensen ho na dokotafo wo konfa no che be kire konfa no che doctors association kadafo eka se eka nenti aka ato enti nya de wo mbetena se ama wo mopani a oda wo ma no ya ho ne se ye ho nsoso na wo mo aso de se wo mo kɔ adwuma enti se wo mo besa ba na se wo mo ma no mo se na nkomodie kura ekoso ewie ya na wo mo te se papa no ya twena sense na ensem a Dr. Lit wo no enedi wo mo ni Michael Kennedy ho wo de to ya ma ne bofo enim ni dwoada no.
The decision to go on the strike was a decision taken by a group, so we presented it to them, and we had to end the meeting. Yes, so as it stands now, we are still on strike. We are still taking steps to make sure we go back to our people, talk to them through more discussions, and then.
Dr. Michael no, wano ena konfanoche adokotafo e wo ho no, oye wo mo president. Wano enene yamane bofo edi nkomo yi
sa nkomo ya ho no esan pieye ena na obnada no eno nti yenwura ho na ebnada no mu no ena dom kuma no wo mo eba modin a friends and trefo nhia mu na nim se friends and trefo nhia mu sei na dom kuma no ana asem rase bedwam ne ye kasa de afridi a national and international reporter na no pon chicheku ona bu 1p for Sompa na wagina mu wo ho no nti wo fa ansem de bae ni nyina ne se wo mo aka no ma hunu se conference doctors association kadafo na wo mo strike enu wo mo pa che se be ya nka wedi adawroma wo mo nkwa ya asabia na wo mo nkwa sa ya de esan se enkwa wo he se free wonsa wintimi nsan fa mbabiu pani anu wo ka se ya ranking member e wo parliamentary health committee no so doctor Nana ayu afri ye enu wo ka san komo yi.
We had the King of Accra, His Royal Majesty King Taki, as the special guest of honor, the chairman for the occasion. It is not for anything that a personality like
our position is also clear. We're not going to provide support with a blank check in a manner that if Ghanaians are suffering and they are dying, we are going to say that we are going to continuously support the health workers, because life loss is irreversible and there is no problem that cannot be solved. This problem can be solved overnight. So how about the life we have lost? So the minority's considered position is that, yes, indeed, doctors, you are right, but get to work and allow us to speak to the issues.
We doctor Nana ayu every year wo wie no anu ode kakra ka no aka kira kwa me aban say agenda 111 hospitals no wo ni nyina no aban hwe no nkoye.
On the medium term, you look at Agenda 111 hospitals and see to completion of those hospitals, and also partnering with some private hospitals to be able to aid with admissions. All these things, we've been able to provide alternative solutions. Because you see, there are a lot of private hospitals that government can decide to do a PPP with. But why are we saying that? Okay, government will hire some staff for you to be in the private hospitals. In emergencies, we'll try and decongest for you to have those cases that can be discharged or near discharge. And then we can make beds available in public facilities. None of this has been done.
We doctor Nana every year you honorable San Kennedy ho ranking member Mrashebedwam one mu kwano mti no a ehwe apomden so no we gina mu de madam kuma no e no de nkomo etu na no pon chicheku anim
na abena ne kwabena da mu ana ebeto odwa kire mu se organizers a wo mo eye Ghana minister omoma Ghana Ministers of State Excellence honoring awards yi edi babetu odwa kire mu se no kura ni nyame anum nie enya ade a omoji sikapudu anase womoji eye sponsorship bia every director general Wada State Interest and Governance Authority SIGA ana etwe ti afre omo Professor Michael Pesa White womo so manya sika bia afa mfiri no ho se won fa sika mrama media award na enumu nchiremu da no brada no mote se Professor Pesa White ebo modern eyi anu sei
A letter dated 1st of June was dispatched to my office. I received it on the 2nd. As soon as I received the letter, I called some of my staff, as it were, to discuss it. And I said, we need to do due diligence first before we can respond. So I asked my office manager to call the number that was on the letter. The office manager called the number and came back and said, we need to do further digging. So I called the head of governance, risk and compliance, and he went down to engage his staff. And then he came back to say, you know what, I don't think this thing is something we should step into because there may be more questions unanswered. And I asked why, and they said, well, they added a sponsorship letter to the invitation, but when we engaged the young man further, he said, if you can't sponsor us, you could pay for a table of 8, and that cost 25,000 Ghana cedis. And I said, what is this? So I asked my staff, my office manager, can you call the young man in my presence? So my staff manager came to the office, called the young man. I said, can you ask him if the award is based on merit? He said it's based on merit. What are the criteria? He couldn't speak to the criteria. Then I said, can you ask him if I can come to that hall, not join any table, just go and perch in some corner somewhere. When it's my turn and they mention my name, I'll just walk to the stage, pick the award and go. And he said, no, that's not.
Enti akwamini nchiremu Professor Pese White ena yete se woyi nsemu anu na executive officer Edema Big Event Ghana Prince McKay wono nso babontin beyi ni nsemu anu ezan se ohun ni se nsem ni ebu atu no so dano brada no oyi anu sei.
We had the King of Accra, His Royal Majesty Kentucky, as the special guest of honor, the chairman for the occasion. It is not for anything that a personality like that will come and sit in as a chairman for a function like that. If he indeed has not done his checks about what we are doing, what we have done in the past and all. We have never taken any money. Since the inception of this scheme, we have never taken money from anybody. We have never sold tables to any awardee. The names that are mentioned, including even Professor Joshua Alabi, you could call them and verify from them whether we have ever placed ourselves to even say that they should do anything for us or in exchange for anything. And I told you already, it's an honest and not a competitive scheme. So before you are even coming to the award, you know you have been given a letter stating that based on our assessment by the technical committee and the board and then our researchers, you have been adjudged as the winner of the award.
Mo enti penia wono na wada Big Event Ghana no say executive officer Yera Prince McKay na yete say dano brada no oba bontin awo so nsem obeyi niti
Ebnada kro no na Central Refinery wono monso womo erefane crude oil Ghana de ni bi de yetuo yensuo yiso he ya ye de kwa amana ne kona ne no womo nane bi wo ha enti ekwa wie no Yewura John Abdullahi Jinapo Energy Green Transition Minister wakasafa ye crude na sentiofo womo nane no ho na ode yenti.
Beyond the immediate commercial benefits, this initiative has significant strategic implications for Ghana. A stronger domestic refinery industry helps fuel oil and petroleum supply reliability. It reduces exposure to international supply shocks, improves foreign exchange retention, creates employment opportunities, and supports the growth of ancillary industries across the petroleum value chain. Because as you refine oil, you get other byproducts and other products which benefits the entire value chain.
Any anguti ye, Sarfo awono, ena buy energy green transition wadano Yewura John Abdullahi Jinapo. Ne wie no anso ho ena dwadie ne ntotoye Sarfo awadano wono anso ena tachime yatifi oyemra sebadwane honorable Elizabeth Ofosuejare wono nso di wei etoso.
The LPG will offer cleaner cooking fuel for families. The asphalt will lay the very roads our nation needs to grow. And behind every barrel, every product, every linkage to transport, agriculture, manufacturing and infrastructure are people, Ghanaian workers, Ghanaian tax collectors, Ghanaian engineers, Ghanaian farmers whose life will be better because this refinery is.
Affair and so the Sentios Refinery no wotuano Eric Len wononso ne die ni.
Today marks a historic milestone for Ghana. For the first time, crude oil process produced from Ghana's Sucre field is being delivered to a Ghanaian refinery for local processing. transforming Ghana's resource into Ghanaians' jobs, industry, and economic growth. This achievement reflects the vision of governments of Ghana under President John Dramani Mahama to promote value addition, industrialization, energy security, and local content development. On behalf of the board, management, and staff of Central Oil Refinery, I express our sincere appreciation to the government of Ghana, our regulatory institutions, partners, and stakeholders whose support has made to the
Wano ena wojina mu ema board no Executive General Manager
no na Chairman Edema National Development Planning Committee Dr. Thompson wano na yaka say wade kakra to so no wacha say se waman no ye betimi akoyie pa dia isi enya long term development plan nya sa ni ejina party manifesto so 4 years one bako actually so na ye 8 years MBP beba obedi 8 NDC beba obedi 8 enu nti na agenda 111 wo ntimi nwie no enu nti na
called documents. They are not national. We need a strategic plan to think into the future and then work our way back and correct some of the errors that we inherited. But for now, we face a very serious problem in terms of population concentration in one part of the country, economic opportunities in one part of the country, and then serious deprivation in 54% of the land area. So, as far as I'm concerned, we need to deepen decentralization. We need to enhance it, not reduce it. I don't.
Doctor Mensa Thompson no. Warona NDPC National Development Planning Committee. Tani apamba kano no. Wani dwem training a wadano. Wana no point cheku na bo sankomo yi.
Na ede ukwada na nso ana beto odwa kire mu se University Teachers Association of Ghana ye twanitia efren UTAG. Wopeni a wono anoda ekoya no se General Secretary. Ye friend no Dr. Samuel Segla na openi no dia tujei. Wose omo abo aban ne koko afa ho a. E kama ete se aban ne ntiye. Womo ha oba ko edo makoma so a omo de ato aban nanim se aban hwenya momo eye delay book allowance and afenso no research allowance. Omo se sa nema mienu we nti aban na nti a edwede we yenimu no ne de tosu dumienu ombeti atua.
Yes, we are back here again. Every year by March of the year, the Ministry of Finance releases the dollar rate for the computation of book and research allowance for senior members of public universities. We have been following this for several weeks. We have written to our sector minister who informed us that he took the matter up with the Finance Ministry. I must mention that just a few seconds before we came on air, we have seen a letter from the Finance Ministry just a few seconds ago releasing the dollar rate for the payment of book and research allowance just a while ago. The second issue that we have, it has to do with our conditions of service. Our conditions of service expired 31st December of last year. We were supposed to renegotiate the conditions of service, but we have been informed that there's a government position that they are constituting the Independent Emoluments Commission. So as a result,
na enweche na osan so de kokobo eko ediama so ya ehwe musika sem so okyerem se omond krade omomomo up to efiada sa efiada ni du na eno so omo ante mpupuye bia de a ewiase beti omonka.
We actually had an interim arrangement with the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission. We negotiated an interim arrangement pending the operationalization of the Independent Emolument Commission. We have finalized the arrangement and we are left to signing of a document to pave way for implementation. It has been several weeks. We have followed up with the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission several times. Even yesterday, we were in their office and there's no way out. It appears to us that the Ministry of Finance is not giving the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission the go-ahead to sign the agreement with us for implementation to commence. And so we have given them up to Friday. If we did not hear from the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission, we will convene on Monday the national leadership and then we will advise ourselves. The conditions of service expired at 1st December 2025 and we have negotiated an interim arrangement pending the operationalization of the Independent Emoluments Commission before we go into.
Benote apaflo wakoko bro school nia ekofa asemba e no sa eda wukweda kro no a na bra wonmo kwa asem no so ampanimfo hye se wo mfa nkofie nkonko siesie no wo mo edi ho nkomo enti wi e na chama wo mpotem ho na no woda achachafo nkabomuko national wo mo pani a wotua wo ma no era prosper tachi general secretary Musa Tankomo wo da wo ma se eda chairman Professor Elvis Bainimo asese wo mo ewura mu ma asem no adwobre aba
nkasa meda atwuma na ase titiri chairman Amos asam ne beto n'anim no endiche bi na opushi de ba eba me personally na esese opese yetu ho anamo enumenu endra me tie the interview aso abegina ha the whole day no yes that is a mark of leadership and then so ye hwe ye chi a members omo ha no any executives omo ha no hu ni se na omo ani abre ye principle of solidarity a woka ba ko a waka ye nyina eno no kire se ye nyina ye ka bom ye tumi ama de kire na adesua akoso ewa asomdwemu yenka enje ye president police ni ne eso ye okasa okot okasa call from above the president and odi hu dwuma ewa so president Berma Prospectechi and lawyer and ye papa Thomas
enti ewie no we Professor Elvis Baini na kokobọ a we de mai nyina ne se wo mo ema asam no etu nkotwere ba bia twere kopem se dwane be hwete kura asante mantan na secretary ewura Daniel Atakura wono nso ne de awokura no wo hu ni
Ebra inua Eric Akpaflo Bueno outside the Onyani Catholic Senior High School. Eho eke adwamu. We atre se nat no ekubatan ekokese. Ye hwe mabako fo ho enkyere no. Asemba ina aba beja no. Na ne kwase me wom ne se ene aba court ewo Nwanse court. Na eba no police ni pani esori ye no a okasa no. Wo se ye de enua na ba. Enso nam kom oba no na order from abeg. Esan ba be ka che ne se asem yenyi free ha sei. Na yemfa enko. Na judge pani so trans no no so kan se sa de ono so wate case no before you know it is struck out. Na ye hwe se sa struck out no ebe ye adwuma. Enya afa ni ye be kono na san bi san kotechi amade bende be san sa asem na san bia enipa me na kontokwa 18 years na 30 something years adanti na echi baako eja baako eno be kon asem echi na se na so striking out there abafo no menti ase na me ji se echi ase etwem dia ehwe se etwem be pa teacher ne ho be fa no dia bia fa se mi ansa me ha no biem enti dem nyina enim se sa break ko teacher ne fa no ho dia asem bia me echi na me se mu nyina
eno owura Daniel Atakura egomo woni ba abedu ene di wa santemamo
na no ya wada no na Ghana fo bebre akasa ni nyina ya se se wo ka pia wo mo kwei nipa wo mo aso wo mo de ko nye nipa ketwa ana na no ketu north mra shebedwani Eric Edam Agbana wo gina simpie ni apaso na wo ya wo kan a wo ya ketu north MP wa imagine one of this ankomo ibeba na no ponchecheku ana wo ka say what one we tiete say na no na minority rape Habibi Drisu ka wa Canada ndi na John Dramani Mahama what the slot we bre no dia MDC members MMDC is nyina nyame no say chiremwe.
In Parliament, we have great respect for leadership. The Honorable Habib is in leadership. And with the greatest of respect to him, I must say that the statement he made on the floor about the Sports Ministry or government allocating slots to members of Parliament from the NDC, that statement is not true. It's a blatant falsehood. They spent public funds on airlifting supporters, their party apparatchiks to World Cups. And so even when it is not happening, they are assuming that that is happening. But I can tell you emphatically that no member of Parliament from the majority has been allocated slots to take people to the World Cup. It is a blatant falsehood.
Where Eric Edam Agbana no and what is a Mukrano? Mukrana Muswa de Qua party boys and guests ho, Edequamamu. Nene, Yakapun Wakatakatiswa. I've read a mujina to try and be a partner. So, Mampani Mahama, Nebra Sudi. 1 yes, I cry one say Sika. Now, we know nano ya water, and what can't ask him we see.
Na yauni ya 4 day our day, and I beto judge we say, Lampusimra Shebejani, Professor Titus Bayu, what the 2 Joe Mamma Shebeje feature we say. A yes, a real hospital here was a Bosumchi district mu ya santimantemu, and check cry, Yamaya 1 copy my febaco, send it to be a bedroom on Bebiano.
I can tell you that the Director General, in conjunction with his regional director, have earmarked staff who are supposed to go to this facility. They've been identified, they've been informed, some have had some form of training, but waiting for the contractor to train them and expose them to what is in that facility. That bit, 0% of work has been done in that direction. So from the ministry point of view, all these processes have been put in place, and I'm very sure once the contractor trained the staff, calls them that they should come for the training of the staff, and then complete his installations, we should be able to operationalize the place. From my last briefing from the Minister for Health, he is not expecting up to the end of the year. In fact, he has a much shorter timeline, which I won't disclose because I don't know if I have his authority to disclose. But he has given his charges enough pressure to make sure that this is done as soon as is possible.
And some you want to jadano ya wadano, and ebusia ya kaimwa, ye bobi edemamu.
Na ya wada korona mrasaba dwafie ho ana yeda so gina na no ponche chekudi e wode to ba ye ne bi ne se ye speaker Aban Samana Kingsford Babin and say wokoba ya na
it's not the law because we have what we call passage process before you send it to the president for assent, and that process gives the opportunity for parliament to reflect on what it has passed, and that is why in the constitution there is no time limit given to parliament after passage to submit to the president for assent. And on many occasions we usually identify some inconsistencies or some errors, and then we go back to the house where they refer to as second reconsideration stage.
Eno ene wuti ye no yera Aban Kingsford Sumana Baben no abusuya 21st clinic sciatica commandant sciatica patients sciatica researchers NFA sciatica originators efrew se yare be nete so kan ho bra yemfa adokotafo enimu de no wo montwe moja yenhwe moja num yade bia hunta wo widi mo be hu aka kirew na yasan so de adura no nam ye bibidura broni aduro ketekete kura amfrem e de aka ma yade no ase atu tantra hera na bat no so nkran afi nkura bata na buru dunum 0540311311 eno ane se wo so ahoma no bia kro no awugina ye nkyerɛ ye nkura bata na afi wura ho koje ayarhwe papa na mom se ukona ukoje ayarhwe every 21st wa mundo na no ehye nti se aduane na obedidi pa basa wa konhoma na eso otum eno no ya udidi emu edru te se just hot kinkan no sei 3 Ghana cedis pe ubenya bia dia no ane se wokoka ne ko mama na de abesi fie na fe mo hyeto mu bibia ka ho na mu di na buwie saa na wonso a woton dokono afe na wokoto aburo wo be fo no akonikanika akoyama san ba be fore ma de ache so ansa wabobo aka to so ansa wasan ba be ka wa hwe ne kwa tenten ka ho fa oko makojo so ho ne enkan mawo na fe chewonam yo bibia beton je wonfa so umpe wo peden wonmo wonkran ha ya commercial bank e wodome no na chipe na abenya won 025 6068 832 woma homa wadama wone medimafo heba center Dr. Tam da so a wore tam ato yade so na ye kase egbu tam no da so wo munti ye basisia
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo heba clinic aba Accra. Ani owuntie, passengers egumi kai mu. Ehwa na dodo na ekro. Ene sa Accra ne botem ye demo.
Ani ye demo ampa. De se de, edutwam Atlantic International University, America memu. Abo Dr. Dujamfi Babaso, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, ayaresano, ayam more.
Oh, missing minim wife ye kopa wo. 1 year 1 cedi. Nyen be to mu ansa na ye ties ka no. Nisu mi connection na encheda nkoye na esakakra. Ti say wa page mu ama hodiam bem. Connection ne mu de we.
Obo wo di ba de kro. Wa ba do kro wo di ba de kro ye kai. Stroke nso de. Wa fa no small. Chese agidi wa wu ani de asie no. Yare bia etatia e wa Dr. Tam da so andi so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yare bia. Kumasi say
owo agogo opposite government school no.
Ena nkra hanso obepiem e wo Pokuase Mayira kwan no so. Free doctor 0244 774 282.
And 0500-727215.
Midimafo Herbal Clinic.
Wudimafo ne hwa.
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
No kwasem ema akatuapa yede nsem ne wie enra fie sam wa ba ye ne bie na no na aban kontabufo government statistician Dr. Alhassan Idrisu wadi tuja anra anwa chasa no kre say inflation you know we gusu mane musun kakra pa na ne edi mutintiman pa no jabidie chaku wono aka ne nsem.
By all standards, this is a remarkable turnaround, and every Ghanaian, should know this. But having said that, here's the thing. I mean, one, within that good general story, we saw food prices actually tick up in May. Food inflation rose to 3.3% year on year, up from 2.2% in April, right? And in fact, in just 1 month, that's between April and May 2026, we saw food prices actually jumped 2%. And that's one of the fastest we have seen, in a single month in terms of price movements. And so the Ghana Statistical Service is watching.
We Dr. Idrisu Alhassan. Now, where are you?
So what is actually driving this? And I must say that two things stand out immediately. First, let's look at some specifics. Let's look at tomatoes. So tomato prices actually shot up 35.8% over the year. That is between May 2025 and May 2026, 35.8%. And in fact, in just the month of May, which is between April and May 2026 alone, the prices of tomatoes actually jumped up 38.8%. So that's
we Dr. Alhassan Idrisu abankonta bufo ya wo man Ghana munra no ne sompaka se eche
na edafia dan mu no Kumasi Traditional Council ebo modern editor dwa kire mu se ombekọ nsrahwe ewo eya aferi military hospital ho enkrato we betu dwa ebra na santimantem soafo Dr. Frank Amuakohene ebo anan kopie mu ewo eya manhia Palace one mo kobu akonta edifa tibia hospital no ni gina pian esifa etie enam so amadwem training wono ena oda eye Traditional Council no na naboachi yaw ababio enso ede insem etudwase
usta ne bedrasi na diaka 10% no diaka 20% no tabe na 10% beba osibi ho aye 90% complete ebi 80 let's say here 10 and 20 tabe na 10 20 no ebeba na ma ye regional health directorate montimenya staff nankanka se wiade no a bibia wo ho ne kwa no wo montimi hold form ansana 10% no abeka ho ye sa pressure no ebeko form ama konfo anochi regional health directorate so obi nya malaria no ko konfo anochi abra health center bi wo ni krum
we nana boachi yaw ababio wono enoye enkwata kese hene ebra wotina konya kese mu de ma ye asante hene ena yete se wodi nsemu edi tudwa omo kire se nananom atran konya abo anan akwakopie mu aferi military hospital akore hospital no eye bia
na honorable Kwadwo Opankroma ofasa rebi mra se bedwani ena edafia da no wode beto se abankunta abufo Ghana oman statistician no wohwe nkonta wo bu ye nyina bibia da ho clear e kire se wo man mabu na wo mu no wo mo ne adwuma ye unemployment no enyini papa fiada no.
I propose that we need to build a credible labor market information system for the Republic of Ghana, which will publish timely district-level data on vacancy, sectoral demand, skills gap, and graduate absorption to guide policy and budget decisions. In conclusion, Mr. Speaker, we do not need more slogans or promises that result in the pipeline. What we need are more effective ways by which we can solve the worsening youth unemployment problem in our country. The Ghana Statistical Service data is clear. The youth unemployment problem is getting worse, and the time to act is now.
Honorable Kwadwo Opankroma ofasa rebi mra se bedwani edafiada ensam a wode tudwa eni eno so ne yegina na ensam hodo a yede to awo firi enade de enkanso ni na wotwene mu nyina de a eto odwa no de medimafo aba center Dr. Tam da so poku ase mayira ehọ na yade etime yira na abu akwa agogo ya gogo yade apo no napo ma wontimi nyini biu afa just hoten kenke shishi de Ghana cedis pe wokuta mu ya pastries ne bread eka ho 21st clinic sciatica commandant wo boy aboso papa na yentini ni timi gina so a men at work ya baby nsem no ede ma wo fa ya nkura bata ne nyina ya wiase nyina pa no na nasafo kantanka ede ye koso akenkanfo ne ye baasa anwumre triple A man ajapia apam dada mene de ada men
Nana Opon Checheku Enafi
Oduma Kumachiame Obrimpon Nana Kweku Ampoma.